Okay everybody, as you all practiced on Duolingo, now I am going to share one image to you all and you are just going to look that image. Have you seen the image everybody?
Yes, sir.
Great. Could you please share what might have happened that that girl is getting National Bravery Award? This time let's listen to Anushka. Yes Anushka, you can share.
Sir, I think she must have done something very courageous or very heroic. Maybe she saved somebody's life.
Absolutely right. Superb answer. Okay, now everybody. Yes, sir. Her name is. Do you know about Monbini? Everybody. Did you ever listen the name Monbini?
No, sir.
Okay, that girl name is Monbini, and she was fishing with her grandmother. Suddenly, her grandmother got cramp, and she ran 5 kilometers without stopping, and she got help for her grandmother. That is why she awarded for the National Bravery Award. Would you love to read that story, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now you people are going to read one story about Monbini. For that everybody, you are going to open your SRB lesson 68 part B. Okay, as I have written here lesson 68 SRB part B, and one more thing everybody which you all have to focus, as in the previous class you have already discussed about that what is the concept DEAR. You all are going to follow this concept only, DEAR. Can anybody share what is the concept of DEAR?
Yes, sir.
Drop everything and read.
Drop everything and read. What should we do here? Should we talk to our friends?
No, sir. We have to be silent.
Yes, you have to be silent and you have to read. And everybody, in SRB part B, there are some of the questions also. And of course, if questions are there, then what are you going to do, everybody?
We are going to give answer.
You are going to answer for those questions. Now everybody, for this reading part, you all are going to read for 15 minutes only. Okay, now everybody, you all can start reading. Have you all read, everybody?
Yes, sir.
That's great. Now, first of all, we can listen to Sanjana. Yes, Sanjana, you can read the first question and answer for that question.
Sir, the first question is, what was Monbini doing during her winter vacation?
Okay.
And the answer is, she was visiting her grandmother in a village in Nagaland.
Okay, great answer. Did you all write the same, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic answer. Let's move ahead and we can listen to the next person. Now you can share.
So the next question is, how old was Monbini's grandmother when the incident occurred?
Okay,
And the
great.
answer is 78. Her
Okay.
grandmother was 78 years old.
Superb answer. Did you all write the same, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic answer. Now this time we can listen to her.
The next question is, what happened to Monbini's grandmother while they were fishing?
Yes.
So the answer is, she suffered sudden cramps followed by a stroke.
Absolutely right. She suffered sudden cramp. Okay. Did you all write the same answers, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Great, everybody. Now this time we can listen to you. Now you can read the next question.
How far did Monbini run back
Yes.
to the village for help? She ran 4 to 5 kilometers.
Okay, she ran 4 to 5 kilometers. Fantastic answer. I hope you all have written the same.
Yes, sir.
Great answer. Okay, this time we can listen to you. We can listen to you.
The next question is, who was present when Monbeni received the award from the Prime Minister?
Okay.
And the answer is her father.
Okay, the answer is her father. Did you all write the same, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic answer, everyone. This time we can listen to her.
What did Monbeni? No. What is Monbeni's father's profession?
Okay,
So her father's profession is Havaldar in Nagaland's Home Guard Department.
okay, great. Did you all write the same, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Delighted answers, everybody. This time we can listen to Mahi. Mahi, you can answer for the next question.
So the next question is,
Yes.
what did Monbeni receive as a part of the award? And
Okay.
the answer is a medal, a certificate,
Okay.
and cash.
Okay, great. She got these things. Is it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Great answers. Then the next question you are going to read.
How long will Monbeni receive financial assistance under the national scheme? The
Yes.
answer is until she completes her school education.
Until she complete her school education. Then the second last question we can listen to you.
So the second last question is, where did
Yes.
Monbeni's act of bravery take place?
Okay. What is the answer?
The answer is in Nagaland.
Answer is in Nagaland. Did you all write the same, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic, everybody. This time we can listen to you.
Sir, the question is, what was Monbeni's father's name?
Okay.
And the answer is
Enlong Subemo Lotha.
And long Sumemo
Lotha.
Lotha. Fantastic answer. Did you all write the same, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Great. Can we all please clap for everybody, everybody? Fantastic. Okay, everybody, as you all have given all the answers for all the questions, now I have written 2 questions on the board. Now you all are going to discuss with whole class. For this, you all have 10 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, everybody, now as you all discussed these 2 questions, I have one more question for you all, everyone. The question is, that do you know any situation when you or someone else show that bravery in his or her life?
yes, sir.
Okay, this time we can listen to, yes, Kusum, you want to share? Please share.
So when I was little, there was a gang of cycle thieves
Yes.
in my village, and one night everybody was sleeping on the roof,
Yes.
and one of the thieves came and he was trying to steal one cycle from
Yes.
a house in my neighborhood.
Okay.
So the uncle of the house who the cycle belonged to, he came outside and he was chasing the thief with another cycle.
Okay.
The thief was also on the cycle and
Yes.
uncle was also on the cycle.
Okay.
At last, after 3 or 4 kilometers, uncle caught him
Okay.
and handed him over to police.
Superb story, by the way. I think uncle was very energetic. Okay, fantastic. Now, everybody, now what are we going to do? We all are going to make a circle, and after that, in whatever vocabulary you face challenges, with the help of those vocabulary, we are going to make sentences.